Hello there, it's Karl Gwinn with Gwinn RV Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2023 special purchase made by Jayco. This is their Entegra division. This is the Odyssey SE 22C on the brand new Chevy platform. It's also a full-featured coach, has electric start Onan gas generator, barbecue hookup, full patio awning, bedroom slide out for a walk-around bed for grandma and grandpa. This is a full-featured coach. Best of all, it's been discounted down to $79,560. It's a 23, not a leftover 22, with a full 2-year warranty. Let's take That was a special purchase unit that we just looked at, made by Entegra. Remember, it's a 2023 Entegra Odyssey 22C, full-featured motorhome, and best of yet, the price, $79,560, under 80 grand for a 2023, not a leftover 22 for much more money, but yes, a brand new 23 with a full 2-year warranty. Thanks again for checking out my review. Would really appreciate a little like down below or a subscription. Every time I launch up a review on YouTube here, you're going to get a notification if you subscribe. It would be much appreciated. I do all these videos myself with no production crew. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's much appreciated. And again, if you want an RV review on one of the products that we carry, just let me know.